Experiencing unresponsive, double-clicking, or sporadically working keys on your HyperX Alloy FPS keyboard. These issues are commonly reported even on newer models from 2024 and 2025. The most common issues include double-clicking keys that register multiple inputs, completely unresponsive keys, and intermittent connectivity where keys work sporadically. First, determine if the problem is software or hardware related. Start with software fixes, as they're easier and often resolve the issue. If software solutions don't work, the problem likely stems from hardware failures. Use the HyperX Ingenuity software to update your keyboard's firmware and reset it to factory defaults. This resolves many software-related key response issues. In Windows Device Manager, uninstall and reinstall your HID drivers. Also ensure that Windows filter keys and sticky keys are disabled in accessibility settings. If software fixes don't resolve the issue, hardware problems are likely. Common failure points include switch contact oxidation, solder joint failures from thermal cycling, PCB trace damage, and USB controller problems. Remember to start with software troubleshooting before moving to hardware diagnosis. This systematic approach will help you identify and resolve most key response issues on your HyperX Alloy FPS keyboard. Hardware repairs start with proper cleaning techniques. The first step is removing keycaps safely using a keycap puller tool. After removing keycaps, use compressed air to dislodge debris from the switches. For stubborn oxidation on switch contacts, apply specialized contact cleaner like Deoxit D5. For keyboards with hot swappable switches, you can replace individual faulty switches without soldering. Simply pull out the old switch and press in a new one. For more serious issues like damaged PCB traces or loose USB connectors, soldering skills are required. This includes reflowing solder joints and bridging damaged traces with thin wire. If you're not comfortable with soldering, professional repair services are recommended. Understanding the keyboard's internal structure helps identify what repairs are needed. Prevention is more effective than repairs. Establish a regular maintenance schedule with weekly compressed air cleaning, monthly deep cleans, and quarterly firmware updates. Environmental factors are crucial for prevention. Maintain humidity between 40 to 60%, avoid eating or drinking near the keyboard, and use a protective cover when not in use.